And then I want to talk just a couple of minutes about the Power Platform. So Microsoft offers what we call this Power Platform. It's a bunch of solutions that this Power Platform umbrella provides. And I want to just touch base and probably maybe give you this terminologies out there, which is Power BI. And then there's another one called Power Automate. So these ones are also Microsoft. Again, like I talked about, this is an ecosystem of Microsoft. These are external applications, but yet very powerful in their own needs that you can quickly integrate with Business Central with really no effort because again, they are in the Microsoft ecospace. So I wanted to talk about a little bit on Power Automate. Let's talk about Power Automate. Power Automate is something that is getting very famous in the market these days. With this tool, you're able to do some automatic workflows, within and outside your ERP systems, right? I can give you a quick example. Let's say you have a CRM system. Okay, it could be a Microsoft CRM system or maybe something else like a Salesforce or whatever, right? Any CRM system that you might use, and you still like it, but you want your Business Central to be operating very well with that. You can use a tool through Power Automate to send automatic communications between your systems. Okay, for example, let's say your CRM system has a new lead and you're converting that new lead into a customer. You can use this Power Automate functionality, which is actually something that's running in the background, right? So it's a job, or let's call it as a routine that runs the background. And once it's finding a new customer being established in your CRM system, the Power Automate can pull that information automatically into Business Central with really no manual intervention. Okay, that's where the benefit is. Like you don't need to do any manual intervention there. It happens almost seamlessly, completely automatic. So there could be other systems out there that you want to be communicating with the Business Central, and Power Automate can do that, right? Something within the system we can talk about, like, you have a document, like let's say a purchase order, and you want your purchase manager to approve the order before it can be sent out. You can turn on a workflow which can notify the manager when a PO is being created, right? Again, the user need not click a button to send a workflow, to ask for a request to approve or to notify the manager. The moment you create a purchase order and you release it for the team to see, the notifications can go to the purchase manager, also maybe the controller. So you can define how people can be notified at what instances or conditions, using this Power Automate. So Power Automate, in easy terms, I can say it's a configuration that you can build based on your required conditions, and system can use that conditions as a trigger, and send information out there to communicate to people or to other systems and stuff like that. Okay. Another real-time experience that I've been implementing for a lot of customers is about the document management. So for many years in the ERP systems prior to Business Central, when people create a sales invoice, okay, they have to export that into a document and then they have to email it to the customer manually. But Power Automate can make it much easier, right? The moment you create an invoice and post it, it understands it's been posted, which is it's final, so it automatically sends an email to the customer, right? So very basic things, but still very powerful, that can ensure that your team is working efficiently, and also not missing on very key aspects like this can be handled with this great solution that's out there through Power Automate, which is very, very easy to integrate with the Business Central system. The other one is the Power BI. That's more of a reporting tool. It's built just for reporting, and it has great features, like you can build graphical representations of your transactions almost real time, and again keep your key stakeholders well informed through the Power BI platform, because the management team, it's easier for them to see graphical representations of how the business is doing, as opposed to seeing spreadsheets, right? Or Word documents, or a PDF of what is happening in the system. So just to make it very precise and concise about the factual information of the system, it can be reported through Power BI, which is an external application to Business Central. But again, it gels very well with Business Central, just as an add-on to keep your business very well updated about the reporting aspect of it. Okay, so Power Platform, there's a lot more. We can keep talking for days together, but those are two key areas I want to inject during this webinar.